In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove or redact text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a valuable skill, whether you want to edit documents by simply deleting or replacing text, or ensure certain information is permanently removed, making it unrecoverable. Let's dive in and explore both methods so you can choose the best one for your needs. When your goal is to make simple edits such as removing or changing some text or images, start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once it's open, head to the Tools menu and select Edit PDF. This will allow you to click on any text or image you want to alter. If you're removing text, simply click on the text you wish to delete and hit either the Delete or Backspace key. Sometimes you might need to select the entire text block before pressing Delete. If you find the text is part of a larger text container, you can use the handles on the text box to either resize it or delete the whole box as needed. Now, if you need to make sure certain text or images are permanently and irreversibly deleted, you'll want to use the redaction feature. Navigate to Tools and select Redact. Here, you'll see the option Mark for Redaction, which you'll use to select the text or images you need to remove. Once everything is marked, make sure to apply the redactions. Doing this will replace the marked text with a black box or a background of your choice, ensuring that the information is gone for good and no one can recover it. What if you're dealing with a scanned PDF? They can be a bit tricky since the text isn't immediately editable. In this situation, you'll want to run an OCR or optical character recognition. To do this, go to Enhance Scanned Document. This handy feature converts your scanned pages into editable text. Once that's done, you can delete or edit the text just as you would with a regular PDF. There might be times you only want to replace some text rather than deleting it entirely. In those cases, select the text and directly type the new content to replace it. Alternatively, if you have multiple changes or replacements to make, you can use the Find Replace function within the Edit PDF tool to quickly make changes throughout the document. And there you have it. With these methods, you can handle a variety of text editing and redaction needs in your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.